Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, today we had CPI inflation data. It was a very, very underwhelming news event. But anyways, this morning I was talking about how as long as this continues to make lower lows, lower highs, that we should be looking for shorts. I said that we were at a Fibonacci level. It seemed like a good place for a bounce. But until we actually broke structure on preferably the 4 to 8 hour time frame to the upside, we should be doing nothing but looking for shorts. Now, I left this Fibonacci retracement out here because I just wanted to show you how easy this potentially can be sometimes. We had 1, 2, 3 waves up to the 50%, actually the 38% Fibonacci retracement of the last impulsive move down. 3 waves up, engulfing down, beautiful entry to go short. Probably better seen on like the 15-minute time frame, but another beautiful trade for trend traders. And I'm going to say it once again, as long as this thing continues to make lower lows, lower highs, as long as we do not see a break of structure to the upside, then you should be doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames until you at least get some sort of a break of structure on preferably like the 4 hour time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.